You can earn up to 50 cents to $10 for watching a 30 seconds video ads, and on average you can earn up to $3.65 watching these video ads. This works in United States, Canada, India, Pakistan, Italy, Nigeria, and all countries around the world. With the trick I will be showing you, you can make over $100 a day with a pure passive income. The first website on my list is this one right here, and I will review the name of this website in a minute. As you can see, Trustpilot's reviews and rating of this website 4.4 and over 26,000 reviews on this site. As you can see from here, absolutely a legit website to make money online. So next, I need you to register on this platform right now. Just click on registration, fill up your details to start earning money online right now. Once you are done with your registration, boom, you will be logged into your account. Once you are here, the next thing you need to do is to click on earn. So as you can see, 100 points will give you $1. There are so many ways to earn money on this website. First, you can see play games. You can earn money by just playing games. You can make money by shopping online, okay, and you get cash back. You can also make money by filling out surveys, simple surveys, and you can also make money by completing micro tasks. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to stick on making money by watching videos. So I'm going to click on earn. See, you can earn from 50 cents to $10 by just watching a 30 seconds video ads. Yes, it's that simple. This depends on the country you are watching from. In United States or Canada, you can get up to $7 to $10 per video ads you watch. Other countries, you can get 50 cents to $5. For future videos, comment below your country name so I can make more profitable videos for you and others watching from your country. Now, the name of this website is paidwork.com. You will find the link to this website in the description of this video and the comment section. So to earn money watching video ads, you need to click on this Fiber Watch link here. Okay, you will click on this. Now the next page you will see is this. It will ask you to download the Paid Work app from your Apple Store or from Google Store. So if you are making use of Apple phone, go to your Apple Store and download the app, or you are making use of Android phone, go to your Play Store and download the app. Once you have downloaded the app on your phone, just log in your account, go back to earn from your phone, go back to earn, then choose video, watch video, and you come down to this place. Then you will see numerous videos you can watch, and after 30 seconds you can close it and watch as many as you can. Let me repeat the steps again. Once you have downloaded the app from your Play Stores or from the Apple Store, log in your account details, go to the option in and click on watch videos. Pick any of the videos and watch for 30 seconds. Then you can close and open more videos and more videos and more videos. The more you watch, the more money you make. Now, how can you make over $100 per day with this platform? I'm going to show you how you can make over $100 with this platform with pure passive income. Just head over to referral program here. As you can see, you can invite your friend, someone on the internet, to earn money on paid work. If the person makes their first payout, you will both get $10 for free. So mind you, for you to be able to withdraw from this platform, you must be able to make up to $10 before you can withdraw your money from this platform. So if the person you invite makes his or her first payout, you both will get $10 for free. So as you can see, to earn up to $10 on this platform is very easy. All you need to do is to come to this place here, click on copy link. Your link will be copied. Then go to any of these social media platform, your Facebook, WhatsApp, X, Reddit, Telegram, and so many other platforms. Share to your friends. Write a proper marketing note and share to your friends and loved ones. And once they click on this platform and create account on this website and are able to make their first payout, you both will get $10. As when you have up to 30 people who has joined this program with your referral link, and they are able to make up to $10 payout, which is very easy to make because there are so many ways you can make money on this website, both by playing games and completing surveys, micro tasks, and also watching the video. So making $10 on this platform is very possible even in a day. So it is very easy. So up to 30 people who join this platform through your referral link are able to make their first payouts withdrawal. See, you'll be making over $100 in a day with this platform. So withdraw your earnings from this website. Simply head to billings. Depending on the country where you are watching from, go to billings, add your payment method. You can withdraw with paper if you have any, or you can withdraw into your bank account, fill up your bank details and add the payment method, or you can make use of paper if you want to. Then once you have done this, you'll be able to withdraw your earnings. As you can see from here, the threshold is $10, and once it's up to $10, you can withdraw. Guys, as you have seen from the Trustpilot rating, this platform is very legit and it has a lot of high rating, and you can check it out yourself. Make sure you go through the rating and reviews and see it yourself, and you will observe that this platform is actually paying and very legit platform. For staying long up till now, I'm going to show you bonus tips on how you can also make extra money online watching videos and other activities online. So the second I'm going to show you is GrabPoint. Yes, GrabPoint is an online platform, very legit, where you can make extra money for yourself by watching videos, also by completing surveys and completing other micro tasks and offers on this website. So what you need to do is just sign up, earn points, and cash out. Just that simple, and this website is 100% legit. So right now I'm going to log in into my account. And here right now, so you can see you can earn up to 1,000 points for completing your demographics. So what is that? From here, just completing my demographics, I will earn up to 82 cents. For completing my address, birth date, gender, and phone number, I will be earning $1.49, and so many other surveys I can complete here and earn money so fast. As you can also see, there are so many things you can do here. Just complete these offers. This will pay you $1.40. This will pay you $1.40. This will pay you 53 cents. This will pay you 11.70 cents. Okay, so many offers you can do here, so many platforms you can do here. For the purpose of this video, we are going to check out how you can make money watching videos. There are two options here. There's this Hideout TV, there's also Loot TV. You can check out any of them to be able to make money watching videos online. Same process, just click on it and watch the video for 30 seconds. Watch as many as you can, and you have money on your account to withdraw. So I will click on view offers. So many things you can do on this platform as well to make money online, both completing surveys and also watching videos, completing micro tasks and all that. All these are legit stuff you can do on this platform to make money. All the links to this website will be on the video description, so make sure you check it out. To show that you appreciate what we are doing here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you'll be able to get feature videos on money making opportunities on this channel. Also like this video and share to your friends so that so many people will be able to see this video and earn online. Stay tuned for more videos on money making opportunities online. See you on my next video. Thank you.